few days ago, I stumbled upon an incredible video by Chef Pierre making this rich oven-roasted chicken stock. Today, I'm going to show you that not only is it super easy to replicate at home, but it's just as flavorful and packed with goodness. Let's get started. Here's what we'll need for this recipe. 2 large carrots, 2 large onions, 1 stalk of celery, 350 milliliters of tomato passata, and 1 kilogram of chicken carcasses. First, place the chopped onions right on top of the chicken. Next, pour the tomato passata over the chicken and mix everything well to coat it evenly. Notice that I'm not adding any salt or pepper at this stage. Since this is a base stock, it will reduce down later, and seasoning now could make it way too salty. Seasoning is best left for when you actually use the stock in a dish. Now, preheat your oven. I'll leave the exact temperatures and roasting notes on the screen so you can pause and follow along. See you in a bit. After roasting, this is what it looks like. No added salt, no pepper, and not a single drop of water. Everything was cooked entirely in its own natural juices. Look at that gorgeous color. Now grab a larger stock pot and start layering the ingredients. I started with a little bit of chicken first, then added the carrots and celery, followed by the rest of the roasted chicken. And yes, that extra thigh from earlier went straight in. Around here, nothing goes to waste. Make sure to pour in all those incredible juices and caramelized onions from the tray too. Finally, cover everything with cold water and let it simmer for a few hours. I'll leave notes on screen so you can pause for the exact timing. I have to say, it's a true honor to replicate a recipe, even a foundational one, from an incredible chef like Pierre. I've been following his work for years, and he's been a constant source of inspiration, not just for this channel, but for my life. If there's another chef's recipe you'd love to see me replicate, let me know in the comments below. With love, patience, practice, and determination, anything is possible. Here is the final result. Look at that incredible deep, rich, reddish brown color from the roasted passata and caramelization. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'm also leaving my playlist on basic cooking techniques right here so you can keep honing your skills. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao!